Hi guys, welcome to Shakespeare's YouTube channel and welcome to a new series of tutorials on database SQL queries. In this series we are going to look at data definition language, data manipulation language, where we are going to create a database from scratch. So what I'm going to do is we open our navigate, all right. We are going to do this practically from scratch, creating the database using SQL queries, and I'm going to start by showing you the output that we are expecting by the end of all series, right? So what we want to do is we want to create this database called dbpos, right? So this is the dbpos database with 1 2 3 4 5 6 tables, and these are the tables, and I'm going to show you the contents of each and every table. So we have let me start with T product table, which is the primary table, and this is the data that we are having in the table: the product ID, product name, barcode, selling price, quantity stock, reorder label, expiry date, right? That's T product table. Another table that we have is T product category. That's it. We have the product category ID, so it's linking T product table with T category table. So here we see the categories. We have beverages given those category IDs, grapes, liquor, and drugs. These are the categories of our products that we have in our database, right? And we have customer table. So with these as our customers, we are not going to deal with customer address. That's why I'm having identical addresses here, which doesn't mean anything though. So, and the phone number is just the same, 345. It's identical, but it differs on the last digit or last two digits, right? And these are the customers, and these are their customer IDs, right? So this is the city ID. By city ID, we are just saying where does Shakespeare stay. One is it's Kwekwe. One is Kwekwe. Let's look at the city table. One is Kwekwe, right? So this customer stay in Kwekwe, and Martin also stay in Kwekwe, and we have Tapio who stay in city ID number 2. So city, we go to city ID number 2, which is Chinoi. So who is in Chinoi? It's these two. And who are these two? Tapiwa and Tadiwa. These two guys, they stay in Chinoi. And we have 3 and 3. And let's check which city is having ID 3. It's Harare, right? So who is coming from Harare? From Harare we have Taino and Delro. These two guys, they come from Harare. And these Memory and Melissa, they stay in Bulawayo, which is given city ID 4. Let's confirm that. We go to city, and that's it. So we know that we now know the contents of T city and the contents of T customer and how these two are related. So what are we having in these? What is it that is linking these two? If you go to T customer, you can see that we are having a custom ID which is acting as the primary key for this table, and this city ID is the primary key in T city, and having this primary key in T customer table gives us a referential integrity where we are saying who is staying in a city which is having city ID 1, city ID 2, city ID 3, city ID 4. So that's what I have in here. And then we go to product. I hope we are understanding what we are doing here. We have product. Let's start by, yes, we have these products. We have water, but these products are having these barcodes which are unique: water 2, water 1, water 3, water 4, water 5, and they're having prices. And these waters, they belong to beverages. We may put something different, but I just want to use water so that whenever I request beverages, I will see water, right? And these are the prices. They differ because I'm assuming that they are coming from different organizations or different suppliers. And then the quantity in stock is just that, because it's just 123, because I don't want to, I'm not going to deal with it, so it doesn't matter. And this is the reorder level, and I'm having expiry dates. So some of the dates are before today, some of them are after today. So we will have products that is expired, and some of them will expire in December this year, 2020. Right, so these are the products that we have being identified by product ID. So how do we know that this product belongs to beverages? We now say product ID and the category, and one is our beverages. How do we know that one is beverages? We go to T category, and 1 is our category ID, which is beverages. 2 is what is 2? Crips. And do we have crips here? Crips, which is 2, yes, which is product number 10. And what is this product with product ID 10? Let's go and check. It's a Cripsy product with ID 10. So that's it. We go to T category. So you now know the link between T product category and T category. So that's it. We have liquor. Do we have liquor in our products? Liquor is what? Liquor is 3. Do we have 3 in there? No, we don't have any product which belongs to liquor. So that's it. That's how it goes. Then the T cells. Customers are buying each and every day, and each customer can buy several times. That's why we are having customer ID being repeated 1. Those from Kwekwe, they've bought. This is Shakes, if not mistaken. He bought a product which is from beverages, which is water, and water again. Then customer ID number 2, who is Martin and belongs to Kwekwe again, if not mistaken. So if I want to check that, I'll just say this is customer ID 1, and customer ID 1 belongs to which city? ID customer, sorry, let me go back, and I was here. Customer ID 1, this is Shakespeare, and Shiksa belongs to city ID 1, which is what? Kwekwe. That's cool, right? So I now know what is in my T cells and how these tables are related. So we now know what we want to have at the end of this series. And the other thing is I've just shown you the end product, what we want to have by the end of the free series. So I will also show you the queries that I ran to have these tables. So these are some of the queries, but because we are going to delete this, I have saved the queries in another database, and the database is this one, and my queries are here, right? So create tables query, we have insert. So these are the queries. I've combined them so that I can run them at once. I also have delete all. This is the query to delete. If you want to view these queries, you may just pause the video and see the queries. So I'll just run through, but in the next video I am going to start doing the practical things without the installed database. So we are going to delete everything so that we start from scratch. Right, we have these. That's how we inserted some. Wow, that's how we inserted our data. These are the insertion queries, and this is the another query for a certain question. Query to install into what to insert into that. Those are the queries. So right, so we now know what we want to have by the end of the series. So goodbye for now. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and give a comment. In the next tutorial or in the next video, we are going to delete this database, create it from scratch, showing you each and every line, and making sure that you understand what we mean by each and every SQL query or each and every SQL word that we write in this navigate. Right, so as I said, goodbye, enjoy the rest of your day.